Hello people, yeah, this is your boy DJ City right here, and today my guest DJ is DJ MTZ, the one and only, the best, one of the best Nigerian DJ right here in Boston, Massachusetts. So he'll be doing all the mixes today, and let's watch and great.
What's up? It's your boy DJ MTZ, just a live freestyle mix. I'm with my man here, DJ City, about to kill this stuff.
Let's do it.
No headphones.
That's one of the best DJ out there, right? Just check him out. I'm gonna put a link underneath on this YouTube page. You can check him out, subscribe to his page.
Just a freestyle mix.
You're live on the mix with DJ MTZ, the one and only MTZ from Boston, Massachusetts. Why you can't leave one of the I get too much money for escrow. Oh yeah, let's go. I get too much money for escrow. From Lagos to London, she shake a bum bum. You know, say, oh, you move that sweet from New York to Hong Kong. One come and just be Indomie to turn. When I ride to the club in my Aston Martin, after Remy Martin, chilling in VIP, we talk about Remy Martin. No more, we get money with the spending money with the cool. This is how we do it. This is how we do it every time. We just mix the mix and you can download it for free, okay?
We're going to do this now.
Edit?
I
I need like light. I need light for this side.
No, you go continue. Make a,
no, like,
which one is the part?
I'm finding it. I can't find the song because you know, like our setup here.
Make a drop one song. You come back. That's DJ TV with freestyle. Which one is the finest?
No, it's a little hard because I mean, like now, if I put my computer, it will hard for you. So like I guess
Which one is the finest?
there are a lot of songs, man. Flavor and shit.
Yeah, sometimes you know go fit drop out. I know they look for certain songs.
Yeah, but me, like now, like every year, I will get like all the hot songs for that year in one folder. Oh, that's how I do it.
Wait, let me see. I'll put it for you and go start.
So I get like 100 hot songs. So I'll just go within that folder. You understand?
Oh, I understand. I know they do that, man.
Because I do it like as I download the song, as I download them, I'm downloading it into that folder. You understand? That's the good one. looking for. That flavor song. Is that your folder with all the songs? Okay. You played like 2 songs, then I'll jump in again.
It's gonna be a nice video, man.
You know what we'll do? The first part of the video. We'll cut it away. Because I did 5 songs, I did play 1 song for 2 songs.
It don't matter. You go change them now. You go change them now.
I don't want that. Alright. You have one they call the Pixie.
My first bar is not connected. My first bar is not connected. All right, back to DJ MTZ. Back to DJ MTZ right now on the mix. Oh, on there.
Okay, no. Go to that folder that was there.
Back to DJ MTZ. This is combat between DJ Siri and DJ MTZ. Alright, correct. That first one is not bad, you know. Just think so. I'm listening to it. You don't listen to it. The first one you did is not bad. Nice. Nice.
No, the volume though.
Not bad, man. Don't sort it. What happened? You can look away.
Very low.
I'm going crazy. Oh, let me be your man. Your man. I want to be your man. Your lover.
That dropping wasn't.
No, it's not bad. It's not bad. You don't wait. People are watching it. You don't know what's going on. You don't know what I know.
Make me want to become me body.
Let the comment once in a while.
Okay.
Something together.
Oh yeah. Baby, from everybody. Oh yeah. Now. Oh yeah. I'm going crazy. Let me be your man. Your man. I want to be your man. Your lover. Baby, please give it. I'm going crazy. Let me be your man.
you pull over.
Baby, you pull over. Reverse, baby, you pull over. Baby, you pull over. Show me your body, baby, you pull over. Baby, you pull over. In a light, baby, you pull over. Baby, you pull over. Back, baby, you pull over. Reverse, baby, you pull over. Baby, you pull over. Show me your body, pull over, baby, pull over. Baby, you pull over. In a light, baby, you pull over. Baby, you pull over. If you never, they follow your lane, they follow your lane. You there, I want make you follow me play, you follow me play. If you never, they make me follow your lane. I like how you there, I want make you follow me play. Your bumper, catchy, your real light, flashy. I don't feel like party, they making me want to go naughty. I'll take you around the world, my baby, oh, baby, baby, yeah. Baby, you pull over. Baby, you pull over. Pass, baby, you pull over. Baby, you pull over. Your body pull over, baby, pull over. Baby, you pull over. Your light, baby, you pull over. Baby, you pull over. Back, baby, you pull over. Baby, you pull over. Reverse, baby, you pull over. Baby, you pull over. Show me your body pull over, baby. Baby, you pull over. In a light, baby, you pull over. Baby, you pull over. I mean, you know like to dance. Necessary like to dance. Please don't need to wine. Please don't need to wine. Hold up the tower, wine to the center. You can do it for your mother. Hold up the back. Your friends are crazy. And it's not enough for them. Know your body necessary. Necessary. Caro body, please don't need. Please don't need. Caro they make me want the maga. Caro they make my head the tongue. Caro they make my head the bang. Caro they make my head the stand up. I'm looking for Caro. Eva, show me Caro. Eva,
I will do a quick one with Justin. I'll put this on my.
See your face like baby face. When you smile, I'm missing grace. Wear designer for this place. Buy you every, buy you less. See your face like bunny face. Them the best, cause I am the best.
I like the way you drop it there.
Baby, baby, Cinderella. See your body smooth and tender. Whatever we take when you hear that. No retreat and no when you hear that. All these girls, them get agenda. Get a dog like a swinger.
DJ Cheesy, hand in the back to DJ City.
Eh? How did you not produce that? Excuse me, how much?
Keep working like that. That comes the WC. Original black diamond.
That's the DJ City.
Keep working like that.
She said, make a wife one. Cause I get so many girls I don't feel like one. And I did die one. Any reason where she wants to I go buy one. First time we a fight them. Just feel like say, make a bite them. Bite them, no, not to fight them. I go take my time to decipher them. No, we say we just a big mouth. And as you see me, man, I can shout. They like the way we just spend cash. And when they see us, all the ladies go, they bend yash. Sexy, gon' get it. I pocket on phone. She said she gon' sell it. She said she wanna go the bag, yeah, she gon' get it. You calling see your phones, I hope you gon' lick it, stick it. One by one. Two by two. On the line, wait. You know they see one job, you see one job. One job, I win. You be no fun, so now I'm the best. I make you rush. When you get it, one by one. Two by two. On the line, wait. You know they see one job, you see
I don't carry it.
I like the way you shake your body, the way you say you come. Baby, come and pose for the photograph. Unless I want to sign their autograph. I don't know when I stick this shrines with my Ghanaian friends when they hear around me, start to laugh. Come back, come by one that. By one that. I'm the line. Wait. You never see that. Wait. You never see that. Wait. You never see that. Wait. You never see that.
How long is the video? 30, 20.
Yeah, you go cut in 5 minutes.
I'll do a quick one, maybe like 10, 15 minutes. Alright, let's follow.
Body. Cause you know say my mama don't like them. So I don't want this touching body. Cause you know say my papa don't like them.
Then what can I put? I'm still going that.
Shalewa, Halima. I get this friend when we get from Calabar. Labake, Friday. Come to think she be my best now person. But anytime when she come around, she get this feeling where they do me like fever. And when she dance with my message, he they do me like saying I for panda. Like that she play the best line. It makes me sing ooh la la la. The way she dance, it makes me sing ooh la la la. Oh yeah. When mommy come back, she a jump. Daddy come to me a cross. And when they ask me, what's me? That's why me dog say I don't like this touching body. Cause she don't say my mama don't like them. So I don't want this touching body. Cause she don't say my papa don't like them.
I want to put that one in my ears. Have a video.
Oh, you didn't go very good.
Are we stopping?
You're stopping a minute.